Assalamualaikum dear students. Behra Foundation College Nashira Feroz welcomes you all to class 3. We hope students that you all are staying home and staying safe due to this coronavirus pandemic. In these critical times, we have decided to help you all students learn at your homes by making such educational videos. So students, we hope that you will learn with us at your homes. So let's start. It's me Naila Koso and I'm going to teach you English. So let's have a look at your book of English. This is your book of English, which is Oxford Reading Circle, and this book has very amazing and funny stories that you are going to enjoy throughout your year. So let's start this book. The first unit of this book is the restaurant. Students, you can see in the picture there are three persons. There is a woman, here is a man. They are working in the kitchen, and there is a girl who's reading a book. So let's have a look at the story of this unit. The girl you can see in the picture is Amna, and she lives in an apartment with her parents. Her parents do the jobs while Amna studies in the school. Her parents lead a very busy life. ठीक है, आमना के जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनकी लाइफ बहुत बिजी होती है जॉब की वजह से. ठीक है, इस वजह से वो सैटरडेज को यानी कि वीकेंड्स पर अपने तमाम घर के काम और बाकी शॉपिंग करते हैं. ठीक है, बाकी दिनों पर वो काम करते हैं. और उसकी मदर का सबसे फेवरेट डिश होती है करी, यानी कि हर सैटरडेज पर शी मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ करी एंड मेक्स इट फॉर द अदर डेज ऑफ द वीक टू. देन एवरी नाइट they reheat some portion of curry and eat it in the dinner. One day, Amna says to her parents that she has never been to a restaurant. So her parents decide for the Amna to take her to a restaurant. तो उसके फादर डिसाइड करते हैं कि भाई आमना को हम रेस्टोरेंट ले जाते हैं. आमना के फादर उसके लिए बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स के मेन्यूज लेकर आते हैं. And there were lots of foods from all over the world. Amna was very excited to see such wonderful and delicious looking foods, and she was very excited to go to the restaurant on Saturday. Then Amna has to go to restaurant on the Saturday with her parents. On the Friday night, when she went sleeping, Amna saw a dream. आमना ने एक ख्वाब देखा. क्या ख्वाब देखा? Then she was in a restaurant and the waiters were serving her a lot of food, and Amna was continuously eating and eating and eating until her stomach was full and hurting. यानी कि वो इतना खाती गई कि उसका पेट जो है वो फूल गया और उसको पेट में दर्द होने लगा. लेकिन साथ में वहाँ पर कौन था? रेस्टोरेंट का ओनर, उसके पेरेंट्स, आमना की ये टीचर, जो सब आमना से कहे जा रहे थे आमना ईट अप, डोंट वेस्ट फूड. आमना बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ महसूस कर रही थी. शी डिड नॉट वांट टू ईट बट शी हैड टू कंटिन्यू ईटिंग एंड ईटिंग. अचानक वो जो होती है सुबह को नींद से जाग जाती है इस कंडीशन में कि उसकी तबीयत बहुत ज़्यादा उसको बुरी फील हो रही होती है. But as promised, he has to go to the restaurant. So on the Saturday, she went to the restaurant with her parents. And when their parents ordered the food from all different kinds of the foods they had on the restaurant, and these all dishes were from different countries. Guess what? What did Amna order? This time Amna ordered the thing that surprised her parents. यानी कि आमना जो इतनी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी कि उसने डिफरेंट तरह के कई मुल्कों के बहुत सारे फूड खाने हैं. आमना ने क्या ऑर्डर किया? द सेम राइस एंड करी, जो कि हर रोज़ वो रात को घर पे खाती थी. ये सुनकर उसके पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हंसने लग गए और बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान भी हुए. क्यों? क्योंकि भाई ये तो वही चीज़ें हैं जो आमना रोज़ खाती है. एंड वो lived with her parents in a small apartment building on a busy street close to the center of the town. Her mother and father worked hard at their jobs and Amna worked hard at school. चलिए यहाँ तक हमने क्या पढ़ा है कि भाई आमना जो है यानी कि दिस गर्ल इज़ आमना कहाँ पर रहती है, वो एक अपार्टमेंट की बिल्डिंग में, ठीक है। उसके मदर और फादर जो होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, जॉब्स करते हैं, और आमना जो होती है वो कहाँ पर, स्कूल में पढ़ती है। ड्यूरिंग द वीकेंड आमना's parents had a lot to do. On Saturdays, one of them took Amna to the library and then to her gymnastics class, while the other went shopping for food. Then they would do the household chores, speak to relatives on the telephone, and spend a long time preparing food. Amna's mother liked to make lots of curry and divide it up into portions so that she could heat up the food quickly every night after work. Her father liked food, but he could only cook one recipe, Dad's special vegetable surprise. He made it for Sunday lunch every week. While they cooked, Amna liked to read. यानी कि बच्चों ये लिखा हुआ है कि सैटरडे में जो आमना के पेरेंट्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम करते हैं, आमना को लाइब्रेरी छोड़ कर आते हैं और उसके बाद उसकी जिम्नास्टिक यानी कि जो उसकी जिम होती है उसकी क्लास लेने छोड़ जाते हैं, और उसके बाद वो शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं, किसके लिए, फूड के लिए यानी कि खाना बनाने के लिए, और फिर पूरा दिन वो ढेर सारे काम करते हैं, ठीक है। एवरी वीकडे मॉर्निंग आमना हैड हर पेरेंट्स left the apartment together and walked down the stairs to the street. Amna would say goodbye to her parents and go down the street to her bus stop. She carried her books and her lunchbox of leftover food from the day before in a big backpack. Her parents walked up the road together and went in opposite directions at the end of the street. Her father usually caught a bus and sometimes took a taxi, but her mother always walked. Late in the evening, once everyone was home, her parents would rush around to get everything ready for the next day while cooking rice and reheating that day's portion of curry. While they ate, they would talk about their day. Amna's parents always asked what happened at school today. They liked to hear all about it. Then they would talk about their day. Dad often had a funny story to tell about his journey to work, and Mom always laughed and said, "Oh dear, you should just walk to work and save yourself all that bother." Mom and Dad always told Amna about what they had eaten for lunch. Dad often went to a restaurant. "Today I had such a wonderful vegetable soup with a soft, warm bread roll. It was delicious. Mom ate in the canteen at work. Sometimes she did not like the food. Today we had Mexican beans and tortillas. They were terrible. I wish I had taken a packed lunch. अच्छा, इसमें क्या पढ़ा हमने इस पेज में कि भाई शाम को जब सब वापस आते हैं तो आमना, उसके पेरेंट्स यानी कि उसके मदर और फादर बैठते हैं, साथ में खाना खाते हैं और बातें करते हैं कि उनका दिन कैसा गुज़रा। ठीक है, डैड जो होते हैं वो अक्सर जाते हैं एक रेस्टोरेंट में लंच के लिए, जबकि मम जो होती है वो अपने काम की जगह पर कैंटीन में चली जाती है खाना खाने के लिए। On other days, she would talk happily about the meal she had eaten. The roti and raita that I eat today were delicious. The roti melted away in my mouth. One day, Amna suddenly said, I have the same lunch every day, the same dinner most days, and I have never been to a proper restaurant. We should take you to a restaurant, Dad said. Which one would you like to go? Asked Mom. Amna shrugged her shoulders. Her dad had an idea. I will bring home some menus next week and you can choose a restaurant to go to next Saturday. यानी कि आमना क्या कहती है अपने घर वालों से, अपने पेरेंट्स से, कि भाई वो रोज़ाना लंच में सेम चीज़ें खाती है, डिनर भी ज़्यादातर वो एक ही तरह का करती है और वो कभी भी एक रेस्टोरेंट नहीं गई। तो डैड क्या कहते हैं कि चलें हम आपको रेस्टोरेंट ले जाएंगे नेक्स्ट सैटरडे। On Friday night, the family read through the menus. One restaurant served food from all over the world. Its menu had pictures of famous landmarks on the front. Amna chose that one and her parents explained all the different dishes to her. They talked excitedly about the big plates full of delicious food that Amna would be able to try. Amna did not eat much dinner that night because she was too excited. She read the menu before she went to bed. I can't decide whether to have the British fish and chips or the French chicken, she said to her mom. Her mom laughed and joked, maybe you can have one of each thing on the menu. During the night, Amna had a dream. She walked into the restaurant with her parents and sat at a table covered in a smart white cloth. There was a big tray in front of her and a team of waiters started putting food on it. Amna began to eat. First she tried some delicious Chinese dumplings and then some spicy Italian meatballs. Amna was happily enjoying the food, but the waiters continued to bring her more and more dishes, each one piled high with amazing meals. Amna's mouth was full, her stomach was full. इस पेज पर हमने क्या पढ़ा कि भाई एक रेस्टोरेंट जाने से एक रात पहले आमना ने क्या देखा, एक ख्वाब देखा कि वो गई है भाई एक रेस्टोरेंट में जहाँ पर ढेर सारे फूड जो हैं उसको वेटर्स दिए जा रहे हैं। ठीक है, आमना का माउथ भी भर जाता है, उसका पेट भी भर जाता है। and she wanted to stop eating, but the waiters kept bringing more and more food. Her parents, the restaurant owner, and her head teacher were all standing around the table saying, "Eat up, don't waste the food." अच्छा जी, आमना जो होती है वो खा खा कर थक जाती है, ठीक है। अब वो मना करना चाहती है खाने से, लेकिन उसके पेरेंट्स, उसके टीचर्स सब उसे कहते हैं ईट अप, यानी कि खाती रहो, डोंट वेस्ट द फूड, खाना ज़ाया मत करो। एंड द फूड केप्ट पाइलिंग अप एंड आमना हैड टू कीप ईटिंग। हर स्टमक हैड swollen up like a balloon. It was starting to hurt. "No more, please, no more," she shouted. Suddenly, Amna woke up. Her bed covers were twisted around her and her hands were over her mouth. Her mother came into her room. "Come on, get ready. We have a lot to do before your special treat and I need your help." यानी कि आमना ने ख्वाब में क्या देखा कि भई उसके सामने जो ढेर सारा फूड आया था वो खाती गई है और उसका पेट जो होता है वो सूज जाता है और उसमें दर्द होने लगता है, ठीक है। तो वो चिल्लाती है कि भाई नो मोर, प्लीज़ नो मोर, यानी कि अब और नहीं। फिर अचानक वो ख्वाब से उठ जाती है, अपनी नींद से उठ जाती है और उसकी मदर उसको कहती है तैयार होने का। My stomach hurts," said Amna. "You're probably hungry," replied Mom. "Think of all the lovely things you can have at lunchtime." Amna groaned quietly and started to get ready. She ate a tiny breakfast and tried not to think about her dream as she helped her parents with the chores. By lunchtime, she was very hungry and was still a bit worried. At the restaurant, she looked at all the strange sounding names of exotic dishes and listened to her parents talking about what they might have. Her parents seemed very happy and Amna did not want to ruin it for them. Then she saw something and smiled. भाई अब आमना पहुंच चुकी है रेस्टोरेंट में, ठीक है। अब when the waiter came to take their orders, Amna's father ordered a Moroccan stew and her mother chose Russian specialty. "And for you, madam?" asked the waiter. Amna said, "I'd like my favorite rice and curry, please." Her parents looked surprised and then laughed. "Excellent choice, madam," said the waiter. यहाँ तक हमने क्या देखा कि भाई आमना जब पहुँचती है रेस्टोरेंट में तो उसकी मदर और उसके फादर अपना ऑर्डर देते हैं, लेकिन जब वेटर आता है आमना से पूछने "एंड फॉर यू मैडम", तो आमना क्या कहती है, "आई लाइक माई फेवरेट राइस एंड करी", यानी कि मैं अपनी पसंदीदा चीज़ें यानी कि राइस चावल और करी लेना चाहूँगी। हर पेरेंट्स लुक सरप्राइज्ड एंड देन लाफ्ड, यानी कि उसके पेरेंट्स जो थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान हुए और फिर हंसने लग गए। क्यों हंसने लग गए कि भाई ये जो राइस और करी है ये तो आमना रोज़ रोज़ घर पे खाती है, उसके बावजूद जब उसने वो ख्वाब देखा था, कौन सा, ये ढेर सारा फूड खाने वाला और दुनिया के मुख्तलिफ़ तरह के फूड खाने वाला जो उसने ख्वाब देखा था, उसके बाद आमना का दिल इन तमाम चीज़ों से भर जाता है और दोबारा उसने कौन सी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की हैं, राइस एंड करी, ठीक है, जिस पर उसके पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान हो जाते हैं और फिर हंसने लग जाते हैं। बच्चों यहाँ तक आपका ये जो फर्स्ट लेसन है इसकी रीडिंग जो है वो कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इनके न्यू वर्ड्स जो हैं इस लेसन के वो पढ़ेंगे।